Hello, Stock Fox family. I'm Stock Fox, and welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a very brief video on Palantir. I've been getting some questions about Palantir and what exactly it is I'm doing, and why people feel that they need to invest in Palantir. Well, let me just say this. We've all had some opportunities come and go in our lives, and sometimes we miss out. You may have missed out on Palantir the first time. Well, that opportunity right now is staring you in the face once again. The question is what will you do? Palantir is kind of like a movie that we've already seen. Okay, we've seen the middle, we've seen kind of the end, but not necessarily the end. But maybe you didn't see the beginning because you didn't get in on the beginning. Well, some investments come and go because you just don't either believe in the investment, you don't know about that particular investment. Well, Palantir may have been that investment for you. 6 months ago, you may have looked at this company and you may have said, wow, it's trading at $28 and change, or less than 6 months ago. And you may have said, what an opportunity. If I could have just gotten in on it when it initially taken off, wow, what kind of money could I have made? Well, that opportunity really has come full circle. Let me explain what I mean when I say that. If you're looking at the chart right now on my screen, you'll see that price of $10.43. That is exactly where Palantir closed at as a business today, the 23rd, $10.43 a share. Well, $10.43 is very reminiscent of when this company actually went public. Right here it says on September the 30th, 2020, Palantir goes public, starts trading on the New York Stock Exchange. Palantir opened at $10 a share on Wednesday, closed at $9.50 a share. So what is it that I mean when I say that you get an opportunity to do a redo? Rare in life do you get the opportunity to have a redo in life on something. This particular company is giving you that opportunity. Now, let me say this. Nothing I say is a suggestion for you to buy, sell, trade any stock or asset. Okay? You have to do your own homework and you have to do your own due diligence. But that being said, for the record, I am an investor in Palantir. That is correct. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. I am an investor. I am a long-term investor. I believe in the company. Let's take a quick look at this chart. If we basically go back 6 months ago, Palantir was trading pretty much on September the 23rd of last year. It was trading at $28 a share with a 52-week high of $30.19. It is now trading at $10.43 a share. $10.43 a share. If that is not an opportunity to basically get in where the movie started back in 2020, then I don't know what is. That opportunity is staring you in the face once again. The question I have for you is, what will you do? Well, that's all I have for you, Stock Fox family, today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.